Hey everybody, this is Hunter. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we do have a treat for you. It is a brand new floor plan by Forest River. It is the Arctic Wolf 3770 by their Cherokee division. Sale price around $38,500, weighing in at just above 11,000 pounds. This is a camper that has a ton of storage, a ton of sleeping space, a queen bed with another queen bed in the back, and a big old loft right here that you can see an example of the storage space right there. It is just absolutely massive, and it is a camper I definitely think that you are going to enjoy, and a camper that I think is going to sell like crazy. Right here we have the outdoor kitchen area, nice little sink, huge outside refrigerator, which is, you know, a rarity. Just as everyone knows that's got a camper. Knows just how big of a deal that is. Here's access to exterior access to an outdoor kitchen, or geez, oh Pete, it's a bathroom. So when the kids are getting all nice and dirty, you got a place to keep your to send them, keep the camper nice and clean. So quick peek at the inside, and here's what I'll do. I'll just show you a real brief glimpse of that back area. Check that out, and we'll get more into here in a little bit, but just to give you a peek of what you're going to see. It is pretty crazy. You have a fairly decent sized refrigerator. It is the Furrion, which is what a lot of these companies are heading towards, is one just like this. There's the freezer space for you. For some reason, my camera just keeps dipping down. Let's go ahead and correct that. Your Greystone oven. Got yourself a good old microwave right there. Some outlets in the back, and check that out. They are putting in dual purpose backsplash and cutting board. Little nice added texture to it. Just it looks good, and it's functional. Some storage under there. Some storage right here. An island kitchen. Let me give you a good glimpse of that. Thing is nice. Got some accent lighting underneath. Plenty of storage there. There's all your little remotes and stickers, manuals, all that good stuff. But I have a feeling that this camper is going to remain sold out. This is the first one that I have seen. We have pre-sold a ton. Residential right there. You see it comes off. Move all around. Hit you dishes from all angles. Chase that thing back down. But check that out, and I will show you an example of how one of these kicks out. I'm not going to do all of them. I feel like you guys would be really bored with that. But right here, there is just a pull-out latch. It's as simple as that. Then kick on back. Check that out. It's the good life, guys. It is the good life. You're down at like a lake or in your driveway, really anywhere. That is the place where the grandpa takes a snooze all day, every day. Underneath the bed, which I'll show you here soon, there are some big old tables that will line up out here, and you are good to go. And also, just to show you, you have heating. You can light that up. Check how pretty that is. Fancy, fancy. And a vibrate mode right there. I wouldn't call it quite the massage mode. I didn't turn on all the lights either because it is, you know, pretty bright out and the lighting's pretty good. But that's all it is. Just a pop her on in, you're good to go. A fireplace, as usual, excessively hot, but it's exactly what you want when it's 40 degrees. Save some money on some propane, just turn on that. Some big storage here just for some little knick-knack items. Here, take a look at this. I mean, I think that just looks nice all around. They're doing a good job. You got speakers up here. These things do bump. I mean, they get loud if you want them to. It's everything that you're really wanting in a camper. Some good jams, some good scenery, some good friends, some good drinks, dual pantries. Bet you weren't expecting that, but you got it. And right here, it matches the countertop. That is the top to right there. So you got your pantry, dual doors. That's always nice. As we all know, that stuff is the kind of thing that are lacking in campers. And before we head on back, let's head on up front. So right here, you got all your, your awnings, your slide outs, your AC, all that good stuff. And this is your little control panel. you got your home. You know, you can turn on all your lights, turn them all off, and you're good to go there. The bathroom is a fairly decent size. Show you, it's right in there. Hello, everybody. Yeah, it comes with something for free. I'm not sure what that is, but you will if you buy the camper. And there it is, the porcelain throne. Now you got your bed right here. Check that out. That's always nice. Nice little area to hang some clothes, place to put some shoes. Do whatever you got to do. I know most campers will not have a problem filling that up. Some more right over there. And then here, let's see if I can bounce this on the mattress. Actually, I'll just lift this up. You got two of those bad boys. They are pretty deep. Probably goes about twice the size of about the length of my wrist. Place to put a TV if you choose. There are your jacks and your outlets there, so you are ready to roll. Hello, everybody. This is what an RV salesman looks like. Let me back up here so you get a good view. That has your TV that will come with the camper. We just haven't had time to install it yet because it just came in. And I wanted to get it on YouTube as fast as possible. I'm sure there's not many videos out there, and there are a lot of you that are curious to see it. I am sure. I know I was myself, and I am in these things 13 hours a day, 6 days a week for about 9 months out of the year. So if I'm excited about it, I know you will be. And look at that. Fancy, fancy. Zebra shades. Need to put a little warning on there for that one. And those will also come across, you know, these windows right there. So you're good to go with the zebra shades. Let me just show you so you get an example of it all the way down. So you can block out the sun if you're related to Dracula. You can let in just a little bit. Or all the way up, you're good to go. Here's one more look here of the inside of this. They are pretty nice and coming in at about 38.5, as you see here, 38,500. Really does not get much better. I forgot to show you the storage underneath the bed, but there is a very decent sized storage. Right here you can fit some more stuff underneath. It don't have anything that's blocking off, so maybe put some, you know, totes or something of that nature. USB underneath that light right there, you have USBs and more outlets. A place to put a TV right here. And check out this storage. I think this is something that you're definitely going to like. They just keep finding ways for more and more storage. So maybe if you guys have, you know, more kids than you need, or the friend that you don't necessarily like, you can put them in there. Maybe the uncle. There's always one that goes crazy at the campgrounds. And then here's what the kids are really going to love. There is a ladder for this. 300 bed bunk capacity. But look how nice size that is. I would say just from standing in it, you're probably looking at about 3 feet in clearance. Well, maybe more. So it starts right here. And I can't even reach to it, and I'm 6 foot. But you have some storage up there for all the extra junkola, probably some stuffed animals and things of that right there. You have USBs, so they don't have to bug you for charging their devices, and outlets. And like I showed you at the beginning, here is the bathroom, which you have access to the outside. Nothing too crazy, but it's exactly what you need when you have kids, you know, or neighbors at the campground. If you guys are liking my videos, please make sure to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Here is a view of my lot. We just blacktopped all throughout here, so it is a little barren right now. Plus, as we all know, the RV market is going insane, so we are a little low on inventory. But fear not, we are taking a ton of orders. I have about 1,000 that are sold and on order as we speak to be trickling in over the next couple months. If you want to order one of these, you're probably looking at, I would say, a 2.5 to 3 month build period. But for the sale price of $38,500, it cannot be beat anywhere. And if they are, they're getting at the same time frame, probably a little bit further away. But usually we deliver them and save you money. Right there, little rack, drops down. Got an outside shower, some more storage. You got some of your sewage holding tank valves right there. But yeah, just want to show you the outside a little bit before I let you go. But as always, guys, I appreciate you watching very greatly. Thank you, and you have a wonderful night. See you guys.